What's good, loves? I am back with a new video. So the unit that I am reviewing is by Shine Wig Hair, and it came with a wig cap, and it came with like some type of plastic band. I don't know if this just goes like for under the wig or something. It came with a cute bonnet. I love the color of it, and it came with a perfect paddle brush and some lashes. So this was the wig out the package. The wig does come with 4 combs, and I was checking out the knots, and I want to bleach them a little bit more. So I'm just taking my developer and my bleach powder, and I am just going to mix this together. You want to make sure that your developer and your bleach is mixed in the perfect balance. You want to make sure that it has the right consistency. So I did bleach my knots for about like a good 25 to 30 minutes to get my install together. So I already have my wig cap on, and I'm taking my pressed powder by Juvia, and I'm just cleaning off the areas before I glue down the wig. So now I'm just taking my Wonder Lace bonding glue. This is literally the best glue ever. Ladies, I totally recommend, ladies and gentlemen, whoever do lace front, between this or Bold Hold. And I was actually trying to order Bold Hold not too long ago, but they were all sold out. So of course this is my second option, but it works just as good as Bold Hold. But yeah, I just took a little bit of that, and I'm just spreading the first layer of glue, and I'm gonna wait until it dries to where it turns a little clear before I put in a second coat. But until then, I'm just going to take my wax stick, and I'm going to go over my hairline with it and just hot comb my baby hairs back, because I want my hairline to be straight back in order for me to see what we got going on. So right now I'm just checking out the wig, just measuring it, seeing how the hairline looks against mine. And now I'm just going to take that same pressed powder and just put that into the lace, that where the lace can match the complexion. So I'm putting the second layer of glue, and I'm going to wait for that to dry clear. So now I'm just laying down my wig. Apparently my glue, it was dry, but it didn't look like it on camera for some reason. So you're gonna see like a little bit of glue residue, but that's just gonna go away as soon as I start combing the hairline into the skin. So it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I can tell that this wig right here, definitely big head friendly, because all this frontal space, I actually love that, because you can actually customize the wig however you want to towards your head. So I just went ahead and just like parted the sides, and I'm just cutting the sides off just so we can get this wig to fit my head frame pretty good. And I'm so in love with the hairline. The hair was really soft, and it was really easy to style, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the sides of the tabs, and I'm just cutting them off so we can just measure this properly to my head, and then I will start styling up the wig to my liking.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
So now that my edges are kind of tied down, I was trying to debate if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part. To be honest, this wig right here, you can part this anywhere, because it does have a lot of space, a lot of room up the top, since it is a 13 by 6. So I was just checking to see how far I could part and all that good stuff. And I was actually liking the deep side part for this look, because I wanted to do some real juicy big wand curls. So I'm like, okay, yeah, let's go ahead and do a side part. But the middle part looked like it had potential too. So I might just change the parting space of the wig eventually. But for the purpose of this video, we just gonna do a side part. So yeah, I'm gonna just take my wax stick, and we're just gonna hot comb that where I can get that nice sleek look before I do my curls.
And I'll take some time just to get back before that I had days full of you before it winds down.
So now I'm just taking that same press powder and I'm just putting that into my parting space. So now that I'm getting ready for the curls, I could not find my curling wand. So we're just gonna have to go with plan B because I really wanted some wand curls. So I'm actually just using a regular curling iron, which is crazy because I feel like this whole time, ladies, we have been wasting our money on curling wands. We could have been using the curling irons this whole time because I still ended up getting the same results with just a regular curling iron versus a curling wand. So you mean to tell me that I just spent like over $30 for a curling wand and I could have been and did this at home? And I got this curling iron at Walmart for like what, $12, and it's by Revlon. And this is like one of my favorite curling irons. So I'm like, child, I done sat here and spent all this money anyways. So this is the result of the curls, and we're just gonna do the other side. And I must say, this unit takes curls in so well, and it's really easy to curl, y'all. Like, I love the fact that the curls manage to stay. So yeah, I'm gonna be finishing up the hair and I'm gonna be showing the final finished results. Now that I'm finished styling, I'm just cutting up the baby hairs, and I like little to none when it comes down to the baby hair. So I'm just taking a little bit of my Got2b glue gel, and I am just taking my little edge brush and I'm just going in on my edges, just brushing and swooping. I want this to look as natural as possible. And I totally love the lace on this wig too, because child, I was literally trying to find the lace this whole time doing my baby hairs, and I'm sitting here thinking all of this is growing out my natural scalp. No, it is not. And a lot of people was asking me, Alashia, you do really great at hair. Why do you pay people to do your hair? Because I get tired of doing my own sometimes. So now that I got the wig laid and the curls is popping, I'm just going to be taking out my little duck clips because I was trying to keep my curls held up. And once I sprayed it, we was good to go. Child, I was so drunk when I came back home, I forgot to cut my my party band wrist off. As you can see on my wrist. But yeah, this is the curls still holding from after a long night of twerking and some more stuff. Look at the curls. The curls, girl, they still here. They still in there. My curls, they don't move. That's on Gorilla Glue. I truly love this hair, and I gotta give this hair a 12 out of 10. Straight up. Like, this hair is beautiful, and she do what she need to do, and I love how thick she is. The wig is 200% density, so yeah, she's pretty full, y'all. And even before putting the wand curls into the hair, I totally love the natural body wave that was in the wig. So yes, darling, these 22 inches was sitting pretty all night. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Details of this wig will be down in the description below, so make sure you ladies and gentlemen check that out. And until next time, I will see you babes later. Love and light. Bye.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you.